This video will show you how to use the Import button to find and bring over just a few specific sections that you want and leave behind everything else. The Import button on the left side of the Simple Syllabus editor lets you import content from your own syllabus or someone else's. While using this banner at the top will let you bring over your whole syllabus much faster, this will also replace your entire syllabus at once with the copied version, which might not be what you want. For example, maybe you added a section heading to one of your syllabi, and now you want to copy it to all the other ones for the same semester. Before we start, you want to know the term and the CRN of the class you are copying from. So let's open up your Simple Syllabus dashboard to find it. If it's not showing up on your dashboard in the current semester, you can find older syllabi by using the term dropdown and expanding the historic section, then checking the boxes next to the semesters that you want to see. Here's the syllabus that I want, so make note of the term and the CRN. What I like to do is double-click the CRN, and then you can copy it with a right-click or a Control-C or a Command-C on a Mac. Later, I will be able to paste that into the search. Now, let's find your newer syllabus, which is the one you want to copy your content into, and click the Edit button. This is going to open the editor. Inside the editor, click on the Import button. This will open the Import menu. Notice at the top there are 3 stages to the import that we will be moving through in order of left to right, and each one has its own screen. Right now we are on the Select Source screen, which is where you will find the syllabus that you want to copy from. First, you want to select the term that the syllabus belongs to, which we made note of earlier. Then, the easiest way is to simply paste the CRN that you copied earlier into the search bar. But you can also search by subject and by course number. When you find the course you want to copy your syllabus from, click on it. This will take us to the second screen, which is Map Content. If you just wanted to copy the entire syllabus at once, you could click on the Finalize button to move to the next step. However, we want to choose just specific sections to copy, so instead, click the toggle next to Advanced, and 2 columns will appear below. The left side lists different section headings from your old syllabus, and the right side represents what you're doing to your current syllabus. How this works is you're going to look at each section from the old syllabus on the left and use the drop-down on the right to choose whether or not you want that section copied and where it should go. So let's take this one section heading as an example. If I don't change anything, all of the content from grading procedures on my old syllabus is going to copy into the grading procedures section on my new syllabus. If I need to see what content lives in this section, I can click on the section name as a link, and it will open in a new tab. So here's how that section looks on the old syllabus, and I'm going to look at this and think to myself, is this what I want to copy and where do I want it to go? To get back to the import screen, I'm just going to close this tab, and it will take me back. If I don't want grading procedures to import, I'm going to click on this drop-down, scroll all the way to the top, and click Do Not Import. Something else I could do is choose to put this content in a totally different section. So if I choose, for example, course procedures, now all the content from the grading procedures section on the old syllabus will get rerouted and copied into the course procedures section on the new syllabus instead of grading procedures. I can also create a brand new section by choosing Create New Component. So for example, on my old syllabus, I made my own section called Tutors for Nursing Students. But on my new syllabus, I don't have a section like that yet. So if I choose Create New Component, it will add a new section heading called Tutors for Nursing Students to my new syllabus. So for our example, let's pretend that I don't want anything else to come over. So I'm going to start at the top and just go one by one and select Do Not Import for everything that I don't want to import. The only ones I'm going to bring over this time are grading procedures and tutors for nursing students. Once I'm done, I'm going to scroll all the way back to the top and click on the Finalize button. Now this will take you to the final screen, which is called Confirm Import, and this is just going to show you all of the options that you had selected on the last screen so that you can check your work and make sure you didn't make any mistakes. For example, I have extra things importing here that I don't want to import. Now, if you make a mistake, there's not a back button, but you can still go back by clicking the name of the last screen. Now I'm going to fix the mistakes that I made. Scroll back to the top and click Finalize once again. Now that I've got everything set up the way that I want, I'm going to click Start Import of the following content. When the import is done, you will see these little check marks appear, and you can click the Close button. Now you will see that nothing imported except for the sections that I wanted to import. If you really make a mistake and need to start completely over, you can use the Reset button to completely wipe your content in your syllabus. Click on Reset, and then select any of the sections that you want to reset. I'm just going to click Select All to select everything. And then down at the bottom, click Next. It will ask you to confirm that all of these sections are going to get reset. If that's what I want, I'm going to click Reset. And when that's done, I can click Close and see that my syllabus is completely empty once again.